Welcome. In this section, we are going to understand the basic architecture and the structure of robot framework. We might have already discussed these topics in the previous section as well, but before starting with the robot framework, I want you to clearly understand the basic structure of robot framework because this is going to be the base for everything you are going to learn. Okay, now we know robot framework is based on modular keyword driven architecture. Basically, robot framework make use of different libraries to perform the actions. Robot framework has some of the inbuilt libraries. Those are called standard libraries. These are installed along with the robot framework itself. For example, the built-in library, operating system libraries. These are used to perform some generic basic level actions. There are different types of these libraries. And you don't have to install separately these libraries. These are installed along with the robot framework itself. Second, we have external libraries. These are the libraries developed and provided by different users and different organizations. For example, Appium library, AutoIt library, Selenium library, the different tools that are already available in the market. They are providing the libraries for their own specific tool. For example, Selenium is providing its Selenium library. These kind of libraries are called external libraries. You can find different libraries which will cover mostly all your needs. If you are going to automate mobile or web or desktop, for each of these the libraries are available. Even the database libraries. So these already developed libraries which are provided by external organization or the users is called external library. There is a third kind called user defined library. So for example, if there is a specific need for your own application for which you don't find the libraries anywhere, then you can write your own library using Python or Java. These are called user-defined libraries. These libraries will be developed by you. There are documentations available in Robot Framework itself for creating these libraries as well. But if you are familiar with either Java or Python, then you can easily create your own library. Now we understood what is a library, what these libraries will have, and how you can make use of it. For example, if you are importing the Selenium library, how you can make use of it. If you are going to import some different library, how you can make use of it. So basically each of these libraries will have a set of keywords. For example, let me go to the Sikuli library because that is something smaller one. Let me open it. Open and go to the keyword section. Each of the robot framework library will have this keyword documentation. This is where the different keywords are defined. The keyword is nothing but a function, basically a feature. Using this keyword, you can perform the actions. Click on it. You can find the keywords. Add image path. This will add the image path. Capture region. This will capture a screenshot of the region. Similarly, capture screen ID. So these different actions can be performed using the keywords. You can't use the keyword that is not available here. Only the keywords that are defined can be used. If you want to define some functionality by your own, you can either make use of different keywords and merge them together as a single keyword, or else you have to write your own keyword. But mostly all the libraries will have enough keywords to make use of that library. For example, if you go to the Selenium library, open it. This will also have a keyword section. Go to the keyword section, keyword documentation, click on it. You can find all the documentation plus the list of keywords that are available. You can see here the shortcut is available, that is for the keywords. So for adding cookie, adding location strategy, opening browser we have already seen, open context menu or whatever action you have to perform, for all of those the keywords are available within the library. So you will be referring these keywords to perform the different actions. Now, if you are not able to find the library that you are looking for within the robot framework documentation, I mean this page, then you can go to the pyp.org and you can search for the particular library. For example, let's search for the Selenium library. Selenium. You can find there are different libraries. Python binding for Selenium, Selenium robot, this is a robot description base. There are multiple libraries are available for Selenium. Okay, which one is for the robot framework? Just search robot framework. Okay, the latest one is robot framework Selenium library 4.5.0. If you click on it, you can find the steps to install it. We have already seen this pip install robot framework Selenium library. This will automatically install the latest Selenium library. So whenever you can't find library, either search it in the Google or search it in the pyp.org. Everything will be documented here. Okay, now I am sure you would have a clear understanding on the libraries and keywords.